Hi, Brian Bachland at MarineMax Clearwater here today with a video walkthrough on this 2021 Boston Whaler 19 Montauk. Absolutely fabulous boat that has more interior space than models a foot or two larger. Starting off on the transom, we'll see it's powered by a 150 horsepower Mercury outboard. Very smooth, quiet, and reliable performance. Absolutely matches up perfect with this boat. Moving forward, we'll see this boat has the rear rail, security for the little ones. Looking aft, we'll see a couple of JL audio speakers, rear seating with backrests that go into the rear rod holders. Moving up to the helm, we will have the leaning post, which is a very comfortable seating position, but that does move forward, so if you prefer to drive standing up, that'll provide a nice back support. And when flipped forward also, it will expose the 15-gallon blue gel coated lighted live well. Moving up to the dash, very cleanly laid out boat. We'll see it does have the Raymarine pre-installed. Also Raymarine VHF Fusion stereo. On the side of the console, this boat is equipped with the fishing package, so that's going to include some tackle storage. Also a cushion for your cooler, backrest, and rod holders in front of the console. Also very spacious bow area, and this has the optional bow cushion, so a very comfortable place to lounge. Underneath we have a full beam cooler, as well as an anchor locker in front of that. Cleverly designed cushions, you can just flip one side and access both. You do not have to remove the entire cushion. Also option with the trolling motor panel, so this boat is absolutely geared for near-shore adventures as well as some inshore fishing. And finishing up, we'll see it is finished in the beautiful light blue gel coat on the hull with the stainless rub rail, stainless package, and really nice contrast to the boat. But phenomenal running boat, must see in person. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, feel free to give me a call. This is Brian Bachland at MarineMax Clearwater. We can be reached at 727-536-2628. So come on down, see us, set up a sea trial, get on the water, or see any of our in-stock inventory in our indoor showroom. Thanks for joining. Hope to see you soon.